Alright guys, welcome. Thank you very much for joining me in this video. Insane gains today. I'm super excited because the Discord was on fire today. Big time, amazing. I came up with a lot of good calls and so did my Discord members with their own calls. One of their own calls was ticker symbol CFRX. They traded 3 times today. Well, that was awesome. And many other things I'm going to show you, right? And after I show you those, I'm going to show you a stock that is going to pop on April 20th. Of course, this is just my opinion. I think it's going to pop. That's not a fact. It's not, guaranteed to happen. You'll have to do your own due diligence, obviously. All right, so first one, let's get to it real quick. First of all, let me show you this. I want to share, this is awesome, and I like sharing good stuff. All right, the first one was ticker symbol IONM. And now it says here 12:52 p.m. That's Greek time in Greece. In order to be able to tell exactly when I posted this, you would have to go back 8 hours from that, and that would give you the New York time. Basically, it was pre-market hours, if not even before the pre-market began. Anyways, it was pre-market hours, really early. IONM, ticker symbol, and I told them that it has a float of 895K, super tiny float. Past 5 days, it's already up 29%. And so I always like to also give risks. I'm not going to paint rosy pictures. There's risks that the insiders were selling. Past 4 or 5 days, actually, insiders have been selling this. But it does have a super tiny float, and it has retail support. So I was like, it can go either way. Right now, it's trading at $3.41. That exploded to $6.11. So that was awesome. The other one was that I told them that I felt more comfortable about was AHT, and I said that it would go higher, ALLO higher. Now this was in the day trade section, so it wasn't something that I believe that let's buy it and keep it for the long term and so on. So what happened to those? Well, the one that I said here, ticker symbol IONM at $3.41, actually hit a max of $6.86 the same day on regular trading hours. So that was a huge, great call, amazing one, up big time. The other ones now, if you remember, was 319 and 499. Well, the 319 is at 332 as I'm doing the video, so that went up. And the 499 hit $5.34. Like I said, there were day trades. I know it's down now at 482, but at 534, anyone could have sold it for great gains. The other thing that I mentioned was early in pre-market hours. That was actually before pre-market even began. And now, like I said, it says 10 o'clock in the morning. Go 8 hours back. It was way before pre-market even began. I said that ARRY is trading at 21.39 and that it would go up over 22 bucks. Well, it went as high as 22.45. So that was another great call. What else? CFRX, which was not my call. It was one of the Discord members. And I thought to myself, well, you know what? This looks good. It started to move like crazy. It was exploding big time. And at 309, I did. Now, one thing that people, if you're new or you haven't joined my Discord, just know one thing. At least from me, you will never, ever hear me, see me, type, or say that I had bought this stock. No. You will always know what I will buy before I buy it. I will always let you know ahead of time when I want to buy something, at what price I would like to buy it. That's a guarantee. All right. Now, of course, that doesn't mean that you should copy me. I'm just letting people know ahead of time what I want to buy and at what price I would buy. That way, that if they see it and they want to check it out, they can. So I did tell everybody at 309 that I would buy. I did tell everybody at 330 that I would sell. That was done. Second time around, I thought to myself, well, now I have more time to talk about this. And I mentioned that also on my Patreon channel at 306. And I said I would go back to 330, and it did. I got in at 314, sold at 330. Then I said, let me get back in again a third time at 308, sold at 326. All those things pre-announced and everybody knew. Another thing that I made a video about on YouTube at 3:56 a.m., 4 minutes before, basically, or 1 minute after the pre-market began, if I remember right, was ticker symbol IGMS, and it was trading at $11.11, as you can see. And I told them that this would go higher based on news. Well, that went as high as 12.56, from 11.11 to 12.56. right? And now it's trading at 11.57, still higher than the 11.11. All right, everyone, the stock I want to talk to you about that is going public on the 20th is Wang and Lee Group, and it's going to raise $16 million US IPO. The firm provides mechanical and electrical design and construction services to companies in Hong Kong region. Now, I know that IPOs haven't been great this year, but they're starting to pick up pace and they're starting to do well. VGIC recently went public and it was available for pre-order $4, and we were able to sell 5+, right? All right, so Wang Lee Group is going public on the 20th. This is a Hong Kong, China-based company, was founded to provide electrical contracting work and expanded to include mechanical construction services. The company is headed by CEO Lung Hong, who has been with the company since 2000. The company offers electrical, mechanical, prime, and subcontractor services, and it has received $2.7 million in investments. If we look at the total revenue of the company in 2020, $4 million. 2021, 4.1. In the gross profit, 2020, $735,000. 2021, $859,000. Gross margins on an average of about 90%. Operating profit loss went from $142,000 to $360,000. Net income loss went from $278,000 to $354,000. Cash flow from operations went from $74,000 to $482,000. They have $537,000 in cash, $3.5 million in total liabilities. Free cash flow is negative $482,000. And their float to outstanding shares ratio is 25%. There's some metrics here that you can look at, such as market cap, $64 million, enterprise value, $50 million, price to sales, 15.48, EV to revenue, 12.22, and so on. Valuation score, it's neutral, but in the reason is because it's really not a long-term bet and not a long-term investment, in my opinion. Boston Securities is the underwriter, but I believe that now this is available for pre-order at $4 right now, and I think that at $4 pre-order available that it is right now, in my personal opinion, is good. Boston Securities and so on, I expect it to open up at least $5, so that's, it would still be a gain, and so I'm actually bullish on this, so I'm excited. Thank you very much for watching this video. I wish you all the best. If you want to join my page, the link will be in the comment section below. Take care, everyone.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.